Hi, welcome to another one of my tutorial videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drawing, which is one of the hidden gems in your Google account. You can use it to freehand or create certain shapes. You're going to be in your Gmail, and then you're going to go to your Google Apps list from up here, and then you're going to go and select Google Drive. There are other ways to get to your Google Drive, but that's the way I choose to do it. You can go from Google Drive to New, and then select More, and then select Google Drawings. Once Google Drawings launches, it will give you a canvas area where you could do lines or arrows, or you could do my favorite, the scribble option, where you could draw your own stick figure. We can also use the text box option to make your figure say something. You could use inserting or uploading images. You could also use certain free shapes like arrows. Once you add one, you can select which color you want it to be. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.